Once upon a time, there was a fluffy orange tabby cat with the brightest green eyes you could imagine. One morning, the cat tied on a little cream apron, because today, just today, it had a big idea. It was going to cook a meal, all by itself. First, the cat padded down to the marketplace. There it wandered between stalls full of colorful vegetables and shining fish, carefully sniffing and choosing the very best ingredients. With a tiny bag held proudly in its paw, the cat knew this was the beginning of something special. Back home in its cozy kitchen, the cat laid everything out neatly on the counter. It looked at the carrots, the herbs, the fresh fish, and gave a little nod. This was going to be delicious. With great concentration, the cat climbed onto a stool and began to chop. Chop, chop, chop. The pieces fell into tidy bowls. Its whiskers twitched, its ears perked up, and a little dusting of flour landed right on its nose. Next came the mixing. The cat stirred and stirred, paws working the spoon with all their might. A swirl of flour rose into the air, and soon the kitchen smelled warm and inviting. Then it was time to cook. The cat carefully stirred a simmering pot, tasting the broth with a tiny spoon. It thought. Just right. The golden steam curled up like magic, filling the room with comfort. Finally, the meal was ready. The cat set the dish on the table, climbed into its chair, and took the very first bite. Its eyes closed in pure happiness. After all that effort, the food was perfect because it had been made with care. And so the little cat chef curled up after dinner, warm and proud of its tasty creation. And as the stars twinkled outside the window, it drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the next recipe it might try. Like and subscribe. Kids World channel for more.